Congratulations, Kuya Chino, aka Luca Dong Chicks. I've known you as one of the best hosts in Bergen and in Norway, and I'm not surprised you can be one of the best comedians here in Norway and hoping in Europe. Your first front act, hindi ko alam it's your first, but it feels like you're a professional. Your content is not only comedy, but it has also a fusion of culture and especially about Norwegian culture. So pinag-isipan talaga. Congratulations. I hope you'll continue with that. We'll support you. And I know I'll not get surprised if you'll have soon European tour. Congratulations. And more power and good luck.
I just want to congratulate Sir Luca Dong Chicks on its outstanding front act kagabi sa The Nekla in Tandem live in Oslo. Grabe, first time niya daw ginawa yung pag-i-stand-up comedy pero parang professional na ang galawan. Napakaganda ng performance mo. Keep it up, nakasuporta lang kami sa'yo.
Gabi ha, believe ako. First time nagsarap sinigyan pero grabe ang mga tao. Amot nakaugtaas pag-oras. Believe ako mo good.
Hi, Luca! It was so fantastic show. Maskin first time ni mo, but it was so incredible. O, see? Bongga kayo ang imuhang unsa pakatawa. Grabe, wa may nag-expect na ingon kag kuan. First time nimo pero murag dili jud first time. So, hope more shows to come and see you next event. Bye!
Nice ng presentation ng friend ko. Eto, nandito ako sa CR ngayon. Pati dito napaka-comment ako. Superb. Good.
Hi, Don Chicks! Last night was a very memorable and fun show. Even though it's your first time, pero ang mga tao na lipay jud asa gikan sa Norway. Unsa may makaingon ka?
Looking forward next year maybe. I hope mas longer lang ang hour and grabe ang agik-ik sa mga tao kagabi as in first time pero grabe ang agik-ik sa mga tao. Grabe jud ka, boss. Looking forward and I hope you follow him sa Facebook and Instagram.
Yes.
And kanang kung gusto mo more agik-ik, tanawa iyang mga shows next time. And
I heard na siya mga vlogs ko, no?
Oo.
So follow him, guys.
Grabe jud to yung Serbilat sir. Grabe jud to.
Grabe
jud ito. Thank you and hope to see you
again soon. Bye.
Hello, good day, Luca Dong Chicks. I was amazed sa imuhang presentations sa stage. Very energetic. Was so proud of you na napatawa mo lahat and talagang nakakatawa talaga. Alam mo talaga kung ano ang next na sasabihin mo. I was so proud of you for our The Nekla in Tandem show. That was your first time and I never thought that first time mo pa lang yun because it sounds very professional. Very para bang ang haba na ng experience mo when it comes sa mga ganitong klaseng performance. Anyway, I was so proud of you, of our The Nekla in Tandem show, and I wish you more shows to come and then more jokes. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, thank you and goodbye for now.
Hello, Luca Dong Chicks. We'd like to congratulate you for such a memorable first event during the Nekla in Tandem show here in Oslo. Talagang sobrang happy ng lahat ng mga tao, napatawa mo sila, and we are so happy to welcome you back whenever you decide to have a full show here in Oslo. Woohoo! Luca Dong Chicks!
Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Okay. Since nag-enjoy kayo, salamat. That is my end. And I wish you all good luck and enjoy the rest of the night with Donita and Tekla. I love you all. This is Luka Doncic saying, hasta la vista, baby! Oh, thank you! Thank you!